To manage app version assets and icons in Thunkable, you use the Project Settings and Design Assets panel to control how your app looks, how it is identified on devices, and how different versions of your app are packaged before publishing. Start by opening your Thunkable project and going to the Design tab. This is where you manage all visual elements of your app, including images, icons, and media assets. On the left or in the Assets section, you can upload and organize files such as logos, splash images, and UI graphics. These assets are then reused across screens to maintain a consistent design. To manage your app icon, go to the Project Settings or App Settings section of Thunkable. Here you will find the option to upload your app icon. This icon is what users will see on their home screen once the app is installed. It is recommended to use a square image with a high resolution so it displays clearly across different devices. After uploading, Thunkable automatically generates the required sizes for Android and iOS builds. Next, you can manage your app version. In the same settings area, locate the version field. This is where you define your app version number, such as 1.0.0 for the first release or 1.1.0 for updates. Updating the version number is important because it helps track changes, manage updates, and ensure users are installing the latest build of your app. When you make updates to your app, always remember to increase the version number before rebuilding or publishing. This helps avoid confusion when users receive updates and ensures proper version control during testing and deployment. For assets like images and media files, you can replace or update them anytime in the Assets Manager. Simply upload the new file and update the component references if needed. This is useful when refreshing branding, fixing UI elements, or improving visual quality without rebuilding the entire app structure. Thunkable also allows you to preview how assets will look in real time using the live preview feature. This helps you confirm that icons, images, and branding elements appear correctly across different screen sizes before publishing. If you are working in a team or organization, it is important to maintain consistent naming for assets. For example, using names like app_logo, splash_screen, or icon for home makes it easier to manage and update files later without confusion. After updating your icons, assets, and version number, always test your app using the live preview or a build to ensure everything displays correctly. Once confirmed, you can proceed to publish or export your updated version. And that's how you manage app version assets and icons in Thunkable. Use the Assets panel for media files, app settings for icons and versioning, and consistent updates to keep your app organized and properly maintained.